In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream to Discord. Streaming in Discord is a great way to share your gameplay, a video, or even just your screen with friends or your community. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you clearly through each part of the process so you know exactly what to click and what to expect, even if you're completely new to Discord streaming. First, open the Discord app on your computer and make sure you're logged in. You can stream from the browser version, but the desktop app is more stable and gives you better performance. So that's what I recommend. Once you're in, choose the server where you want to stream. You'll need permission to stream in that server. So if you don't see the options I mention, check with the server admin to confirm your role allows video or screen sharing. Next, join a voice channel in that server. Look at the left side of your screen. Find the Voice Channels section and click on the channel where you want your audience to gather. As soon as you join, you'll see some new controls appear at the bottom of the app, including options for turning your microphone and camera on or off. Now you're ready to start streaming your screen or a specific application. Look for the Share Your Screen or Screen icon, usually near the bottom of the window. Click it and a new panel will pop up. Here you can choose either your entire screen, a specific window, or, if Discord detects it, a particular game. If you want to keep other windows private, choose just the app or game you're sharing rather than your full desktop. After choosing what to stream, select your stream quality and frame rate. Some higher options may require a Discord subscription, so pick whatever is available and stable for your connection. For most people, a moderate resolution and frame rate work smoothly and still look good. Once your settings look right, confirm to go live. Your friends in that voice channel will now see a small live indicator next to your name and can click on it to watch. During your stream, you can switch what you're sharing, mute yourself, or turn your camera on and off using the controls at the bottom of the screen. When you're done, simply click the Stop Streaming button. That will end the stream for everyone in the channel. And that's all you need to start streaming to Discord confidently from your computer.